Good morning, friends. I am once again coming to you with a use for super glue. All right, so we all know how much I enjoy super glue, you know, putting fingers back together and stuff. It's great. Today, we're gonna try to put my keens back together. I've had these puppies for a while, and they've been great, but now they're kind of coming apart. I am all out of shoe glue, so I'm gonna try super glue on the edges here, try to squeeze them together, and we'll see how that works. Okay, so I'm just using this Gorilla Glue. It comes with an applicator tip. You screw on the tip, and that punctures the seal. So then you can start applying. So I'm just going to try to put it out here on the edges. Okay, that's it for the, oh boy. Yeah, don't get it on your fingers because it will glue skin together. Now it says on the package, 10 seconds. So, press the two surfaces together for about 10 to 45 seconds. Wait 24 hours for a full cure. After using, clean nozzle with a dry cloth. Replace outer cap if you have any left. I do not, so no big deal. Yeah, but be careful. It's good stuff. All right, so I'm pulling these together. I'm gonna let these sit for quite a while. I'm not using them today. I'll let them sit for a few days probably, and then I will test them out. Hey, thanks so much for watching, folks. I appreciate the view. I appreciate comments. Have you ever super glued your shoes back together? Let me know. Thanks for watching.